Hello everybody today. It's gorgeous. Look at these. A bumblebee or a little bee. This is a beautiful rose bush. Look at the beauty. Just so simple. It's just beautiful. That's your beauty. You have a beautiful, simple beauty, which is stunning. And you don't even know it. Here's a little bit of nightshade. Stunning beauty. Everything's beautiful. Find the beauty. Find the beauty within yourself. We all deserve it. We all hold it. No matter the energies that are flowing through, no matter what somebody says, no matter anything, you have this understated beauty that is inherently yours. And nobody else can hold it because it is you. And there's only one you. So everything that you see is beautiful. That beauty is within you. Even the beauty of the beaver's dam. Just try to find the beauty in the day. That helped me today. For I was feeling anger and a deep sadness. And anger does stem from a deep sadness. So, rest quietly. I know the energies are hard. Find your beauty. It's yours. It's absolutely yours. It's there, underneath all of those layers. I see it. More importantly, I feel it. And how spectacular you are in your own way of being. The simpleness of this buttercup and the daisy. They're spectacular. And they're just being them. So try to just be you. Through all of it. Stand in your simple, elegant, gentle, and graceful beauty. The true people will see it. The true people will feel it. And they'll hold it for you. And you'll hold theirs. Aho Masani.